Here's why your offers and launches are failing. I'm Rachel Pedersen. I started my businesses 8 years ago and we've done over $10 million. But I've had tons of failed launches, offers that flopped, and massive missteps with product. I remember after one launch, I offered a $25 product and only sold 5. I broke down and cried, just kind of like feeling like I wasn't made for this whole business owner thing, ready to give up. These days, every launch and offer that we put out there either hits or exceeds our goal. No, it's not because my audience is bigger. It's because of these lessons that I have applied, learned, and I'm happy to share with you for free. Here are 10 reasons why an offer doesn't convert. 1, it's never been tested organically. Converting offers really need to show a 2 to 5% conversion in order to work at scale, but it's easier if it's at 5 to 10% conversion organically before you pour fuel on the fire with ads. 2, the offer is not a no-brainer. There are 2 parts to this. Part 1, the price is too high to get the initial purchase and build trust. Part 2, the offer is not juicy and irresistible. Read the book, Irresistible Offer by Mark Joyner. 3, the sales page copy is weak, it's too product or feature focused, or it's missing benefits and pain points. 4, the sales page design doesn't walk buyers through the journey. If you don't know how to do this, it's probably safer to just offer an order form. 5, the wrong audience is being marketed to because the language is a mismatch for the audience you're trying to. 6, sometimes the funnel is just broken, so be sure to test it on both desktop and mobile. 7, you're marketing it to cold audiences, but using hot audience language. 8, there's not enough traffic. It takes at least 100, sometimes 200 to 1,000 clicks to a page to test. After usually about 100 clicks, I recommend split testing your funnel and offer. 9, the name of the product is way too clever and cute. Simple and clear is usually better. 10, this one is a little bit of tough love. You haven't built enough rapport, aka know, like, and trust with your audience. They haven't seen the value that you give, the community, the culture, your energy. And so this is a huge reason why I'm a fan of giving the whole farm away for free in your free content. Want to learn more? Smash that follow button because I'm going to be sharing a whole bunch of marketing gold over the next couple of weeks. And feel free to ask your questions in the chat.